I'm George Mariner Mole, Artistic Director of the Discovery Orchestra. There are many things about music that perceptive listeners begin to notice about music. One of these things is an aspect of the musical element rhythm. The beat or pulse of the music is often, we might even say, usually predictable. You can tell when the next beat is coming. Beat, 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 or perhaps a faster regular beat. Beat, 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 beat. And in most cases, the beat is organized by stress or accent, with the stress usually coming on the first beat of each grouping. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. With an accent or stress coming every 2 beats, we have what we call duple meter. Quadruple meter is kind of an extension of duple meter. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And waltzes, as we may know, are in triple meter. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So far, so good? Perceptive listeners, after some time spent listening carefully, the amount of this time varies from listener to listener, you can sense what the meter is without seeing the music. So let's give it a go. Once again, I'd like to welcome my friend Dan Creasy, and he's going to play for us a little portion of 4 standards, as we call them. These are well-known selections of music from the American Songbook, that vast body of American popular songs. Your mission, identify that meter. Here's the first example. Okay, so now if you said quadruple, you're right. If you said duple, you're in the ballpark. And if you said triple, you need to continue practicing this exercise. Just to verify, I'm going to count along with Dan as he plays. So let's do a little bit of that again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I think we get that. All right, here's another. All right, what did you come up with? Hopefully, another quadruple. Let's verify that.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next contestant. Let's see what Dan has for us now. And hopefully you realize triple is the meter. Let's verify that one as well. You, of course, remember our wonderful Arlen tune, Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Let's just do that one more time, and I'll count along with Dan.
1, 2, 3.
3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. At that speed, it's almost a Viennese waltz. Okay, how about one more for the road, Dan? Yeah, how about that? Quintuple meter. 5 counts in the measure. Let's do that once again while we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Some of you may know that tune as a creation of jazz musician Paul Desmond, who was a member of the Dave Brubeck Quartet. He called that composition appropriately, Take 5. Now have fun with this. Practice listening for meter, and then we'll be ready to explore all the fun things composers do within those meters. See you for Discovery Chat 18.